In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade Oanda on TradingView. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to tradingview.com and you want to hover over products up top and click on super charts. And before that, of course, make sure you are signed into your account or create one in case you don't have one yet. It's very easy and quick. And then you want to click on trading panel down here at the bottom. You want to make this a bit bigger by dragging it up. There we go. And then one of the brokers over here should be Oanda. So for me, it's over here in the middle. If it's not over here for you, you can click on all brokers and just find it in here. Click on Oanda, click on connect, and then it's going to take you to Oanda's page where you basically have to connect. So for me, as you can see, the login has failed because I don't actually have a real live account, which you have to be able to trade on Oanda. But of course, for you, it's going to take you to their sign-in page where you basically will be able to sign into your account and then connect it to TradingView. And then you can go ahead and make this, kind of drag it down like this, and you can go ahead and start trading on TradingView using your Oanda account. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.